Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be playing some ZombsRoyale, except I'm on laptop today, not PC, and it's my first day, so I'm probably gonna be really trash. And first of all, I just want you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it to your friends. It really helps us out. I waited too long on the bus, so now we have to go clap and pick up that purple SMG. You don't need that. Oh, oh, okay. No one's here except the bots. Accept your fate. You didn't accept. Okay, a real person is here. And he also looted some of this. And he left the purple sniper, so he's not that good. Okay. I didn't test out sniper on laptop yet. So I might be oh, the kid's over there. Oh, oh, he's a stream sniper. Stream sniper. Team. Never mind. Team. Team. We're teaming. We're teaming, right? Team. I'm gonna get back on this tag. Die. Got him. You love to see. I feel so bad. How do you take off this thing on my stream? Oh my god, get that off. There's like this black thing on my screen. I don't know if you guys see it or not. Oh my god, I feel so bad for him. I have so many hybrids. We need a shotgun, so we will take one. Actually, we can't, because we're going portal. So, okay, there's, oh my god, I like, no! Oh, got him. That's all I cared about, getting that kill. Okay, now we gotta collect some hybrids. Okay, actually, we have to take that. Okay, this guy's a full on sweat, so we are not gonna risk. Ooh, tagged him. Tagged him again. How is he not dead? Got him. Let's go. Epic sniper. Listen. Okay, I'm sorry about the thing on my screen. I can't help it. I'm trying to get a lucky snipe right now. Come on. No! I'm still fine with it. Still fine with it. Don't ban me. Please don't ban me. I didn't do anything. I totally didn't team with that guy before. Totally did. Let's make that clear. Oh, I got 3 sniper kills. Did I? I got 5 elims. Not bad, not bad. Probably in the last game, and then we're gonna end the recording. Hope you liked it. So, got this far. Yeah, you're a really good viewer, and please subscribe. We're gonna land here and get into the action. Okay, we got a sniper again. Oh, we did. Oh, got the god loot. I don't know why that's on my screen though. Come on, come at me, bro. Oh, that's close. You like snipers? No. Oh, sniping on laptop is kind of fun. I'm gonna be honest with you. Why are you doing that? Like, what's the reason? What's the reason? And he ran away. You're just gonna get some ammo though. Oh, okay. Come on. Okay. There we go. I need your bandies. Oh my god. I'll take one. Thank you. Oh my god. I'm in literally gaming mode right now. Heard that I. Okay. I'm dead anyways. So we're gonna go for this kid. Bro, what are you doing? I'm dead. You're joking. One last game after this ad, and yeah. Put comments in the video if you think face cam is good for these videos. If you don't, I'm fine with it. I'm just I'm trying to take out okay. I'm trying to take out this black thing in the middle. Okay. Oh, that guy got a shotgun. Hi. I'm just gonna steal your kill real quick. No, no, please. Oh my god. Okay. We're alive, and that's all that matters, right? Yeah. What are you doing there, buddy? What are you doing? I have 3 kills already, and I just saw a guy. You're dead. Okay, apparently he's not. And I think I am. Oh, got him. I need your ammo. I could have killed you. I almost died myself. We do not want. Our goal is to win the game. You guys know that too, right? Wait, where's the guy you were hunting for? Gamer mode. Oh, it's the kid. It's the kid again. Oh, it's that kid. Okay, we're running. No! Mm. Okay, that's the end of the video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it to your friends. Really helps us out, and of course, put your comments in the video. We'll give you a shout out.